Hi everyone. Today I was asked by another teacher if I could give a conceptual or concrete example of why any number to the 0th power is 1. It seems counterintuitive. You would think that it would be 0, but it is in fact 1. And so I've been thinking about this a little bit, and I'm going to take my best shot at trying to explain to you why any number to the 0th power is 1. So let's think about exponents for a second, and let's take a die. So if I were to roll this one time, there are 6 possibilities, right? So 6-sided die, if I roll it once, there are 6 possibilities. Right? If I were to roll it twice, 6 to the 2nd power, I would have 36 possibilities. And the reason for that is that if I roll a 1 the first time, I could roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6 the second time. If I roll a 2, I have those same 6 possibilities. If I roll a 3, there's those same 6 possibilities. So there are 6 possibilities for each of the first outcomes, which gives us 36 possible outcomes. So 6 times 6 gives us 36 outcomes. So let's get a little simpler. Let's talk about flipping a coin. If I flip a coin once, there are 2 possibilities. I can either get a heads or a tails. If I flip it twice, there are 4 possible outcomes. Right? I can get heads, heads. I can get heads, tails. I can get tails, heads. I can get tails, tails. So, what happens if I go 2 to the 0th power? That means I don't flip the coin. What are the possible outcomes of me not flipping the coin? Well, there's only one possible outcome. That nothing would happen. Right? That I would not get any answer. That I would not get a heads or a tails. That is the only possible outcome. There is only one thing that can happen if I don't flip that coin any times. Right? If I were to roll a 6-sided die, no times. There's only one possible outcome that can happen. And that's that I get nothing. That nothing happens because I didn't roll the die. So that'll work for a 20-sided die, right? 20 to the 0th power. If I don't roll a 20-sided die any times, what are the possible outcomes? There is one possible outcome, that I get nothing. And that's why any number to the 0th power is 1.